Welcome to our video comparison of two powerful desktop computers, the HP ProTower 290G9 and the ASUS ROG G16CH. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance, and suitability for different user needs. Whether you're looking for a business-oriented desktop or a high-performance gaming machine, we've got you covered. The HP ProTower 290G9 is equipped with a 12th Gen Intel Core i3 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a combination of a 256 GB PCIe SSD and a 1 TB HDD, making it suitable for everyday tasks. In contrast, the ASUS ROG G16CH boasts a powerful Intel Core i7-14700F processor, 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, and a 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, designed for high-performance gaming and multitasking. This stark difference in specifications highlights the target audiences for each product. The HP ProTower 290G9 is praised for its affordability and sufficient performance for basic tasks, making it a great choice for budget-conscious users. However, its integrated graphics limit gaming capabilities. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG G16CH offers high-end performance with its powerful graphics card and advanced cooling system, but it comes at a higher price point and can be noisy under load. These pros and cons are crucial for potential buyers to consider. While we currently lack user reviews, we can infer that the HP ProTower 290G9 is likely favored by users needing a reliable desktop for office tasks, while the ASUS ROG G16CH would attract gamers and content creators seeking high performance. Understanding user needs and experiences can greatly influence purchasing decisions. In conclusion, the HP ProTower 290G9 is an excellent choice for those seeking an affordable and functional desktop for everyday use, while the ASUS ROG G16CH is tailored for gamers and power users who demand top performance. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech insights.